Hi, nice to see you again. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. I just want to apologize right up front. I'm wearing my glasses today, and they are the transition lenses, which means that they do change color when you are in a bright light. And normally I love that because, especially when I'm outside and I'm driving, they pretty much go completely dark and they're almost sunglass-like. But for video purposes, it's not that great. I think they're tinted right now. I think I'm seeing a tint to them, so I do apologize. I'm just having a harder time wearing my contacts today due to allergies, and I didn't want to wait to put out another video until my eyes got better, so I have to wear my glasses. Hopefully they won't go completely dark. I don't think they will, but I just want to let you know, just in case you see a tint and you can't see my eyes. That's the reason why I have to wear my glasses today. So I just want to talk to you today about what the marketplace calls sleeping masks, but what I call just glorified night creams. I love them. I really do. I have skin that gets very dry, and especially when I use Retin-A. As we all know, Retin-A dries your skin out, makes it red, and it flakes like crazy. And when I use what I call my 1-2 punch, which would be my Retin-A and my Obagi Sea Therapy Night Cream with hydroquinone in it, oh my gosh. My skin gets so flaky and dry, it's unbelievable, and it doesn't look pretty. So I have to moisturize, especially at night, and I use something very thick, rich, and emollient. And if your skin is a kind of skin that won't tolerate that, then these aren't going to be for you. I might have a couple that you might want to look into that won't be as emollient and rich, but I need something like that for my skin. And like I said, especially when I do my 1-2 punch of Retin-A on my Obagi C. But I just love my sleep masks. And I've been using a couple of these I'm going to talk about for a long time. And let's just get started. So one of the ones that I've been using for a long time, again, I said this before, I'll say it again, I don't know why this line doesn't get a lot of love on YouTube. It is a no muss, no fuss kind of line. I'm a no muss, no fuss kind of girl, so I'm okay with it. They get some good ingredients, but it's the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. This is my trial size, or my travel size. I'm out of the regular size. I just love this mask. It's got some good ingredients in it. It has avocado and apricot kernel oil. It has Japanese seaweed in it. And it says it's for dry to normal skin, and it's best for hydration, and it really does what it says. My skin drinks this up. It absolutely loves this. Absolutely loves it. It's between, it's priced up to about $28, and it's getting fantastic reviews. When I am using a Retin-A and my skin is, like I said, completely dry and irritated, one of the first things I do at night after I cleanse and exfoliate my face, I use a type of oil on my skin as well, and I let that soak in for about 30 minutes, and then I put all of them actually on my face right after. My skin just loves it. It drinks it in. It makes my skin look and feel so moisturized. It calms down the redness and the irritation, and I just love this. I've been using this for a long time, and I would never be without this. This is one of my favorites. The other one that I use is actually not a sleep mask. It is called the Clarins Super Restorative Replenishing Comfort Mask. This one, actually, they say to use it for 10 minutes and tissue it off. I don't do that. I leave this on overnight. There really is nothing to tissue off anyhow for me, personally, because my skin gets so dry. It drinks this in, and it comforts my face. It makes it feel moisturized, and I just leave it on overnight. It's a really nice one. Clarins is another one that has some really good products. One of my favorite oils that they have is the Clarins Lotus Oil. Maybe I'll link my video below that I did about a year ago. I call it my liquid gold. It's one of my favorite oils in the world. I think it's phenomenal, especially if you get occasional breakouts. It just is fantastic oil. It really balances my skin and calms it down. So I use that, and then I put this over it, and it's a great moisturizing effect for my skin. I absolutely love it. This one is very good. The other one that I use, and I've been using this on and off for probably over 20 years. This is another brand. I don't think it's enough love on YouTube, and I don't know why. It is called Osmotics, and it's the Blue Copper Prime Sleep Tight Mask. I absolutely love this mask. Now this is it's like a gel cream consistency. It's light blue in color, which is the copper in it. It's got 20% hyaluronic acid in it, and I have to tell you, with the copper in it, copper is supposed to be very good for your skin as far as healing benefits, and especially when you do, you know, like heavy treatments, acids, and retin-A. And it really does. It calms my skin down. My skin, it keeps it from feeling so irritated. And the other thing copper is supposed to do is firm your skin. Now, do I think it does that? I honestly will be honest with you. I really don't know. But when I use this stuff at night and I put it on, my skin does feel like it is slightly tight and more firm. I've been using some type of copper for probably, like I said, over 20 years, whether it's this line or I've dabbled on others, but I always come back to this. I really love copper for my face. I love the benefits, and you know, again, it's one of those things that does it tighten like it says? Temporarily, I don't know what the long-term effects are, but really good, especially this one. The problem with this, it's $90. It's not inexpensive. You don't even get 2 ounces either. So I try to find these on sales, but I really do like it. I love the way it feels, and I love how my skin looks when I use it. It's a light gel cream consistency, so if you're not somebody who likes emollient products, then this might be, or I mean, sorry, thick, heavy products, this might be something right up your alley as well. But I think I'm going to do a separate video. I have several osmotic products that I like, and maybe I'll do a separate video and talk about them, but they're very good. I don't think they get enough love. The other one that I have been using, and you know, I'm on the fence with this one only because I don't think it's as rich in emollient as what I personally like, especially when my skin is dry from retin-A. But it gets a lot of love online. I do like it. I do love Shiseido products anyhow. I have a couple that are my favorites and I've been using for a long time. You know, what can I say? If you find something that works, you just got to stick with it. At least I think so. I mean, there are products that I've used for over 20 years and I just won't be without them. And I do dabble in other products. I'm a skincare junkie, probably like most of us are, but when you find stuff that works, you just stick with it. Even if they're not the newest and the latest and the greatest things, you just stick with what works and what you like. And Shiseido is a great line too. I don't think it gets enough love. And this is the Shiseido Beauty Sleeping Mask. It's about almost 3 ounces. It's $40, so it's not too bad in price. It has vitamin C in it. Vitamin E, and it is this is another one that's a gel. It's probably more of a gel consistency than a cream. It is a very nice mask. It is. I have to say that I do like it. I just don't think it's as emollient as what I need, so I don't know if I would buy it again. But if you are looking for something that is not as emollient and rich, this might be something to reach for. And again, Shiseido is a great line. This is getting great reviews. One more I'll just talk about. Now, I've only tried this a couple times. This brand is kind of new to me. It's called the Farmacy brand with an F. It's the Sleep Tight Firming Night Balm. This is interesting because it's almost like a Vaseline. You probably aren't going to be able to see it, but it's almost like a Vaseline consistency because it is a balm. It is very rich and emollient. I am not sure what I think about this yet, but I'm going to keep trying it and we'll see. But the Farmacy is new to me. I did pick up a couple of their sheet masks, and I have their cleansing balm and a couple other products, and I'm going to keep trying them as well. I got the, I think I got a mini, I think called the Mighty Mini set or something like that. I don't remember, I'm sorry, but I'm going to keep using this and see. But this is a nice consistency. I do like it so far. I don't know about long term, but it is a nice one. So I just wanted to share some of the sleeping masks or glorified night creams that I call them with you. If you have some that you use, please let me know. I always like to try new new products. It's interesting. I am a person that likes to try different products, but I always go back to my tried and true. Like I said, if it just works, it just works. Then sometimes you don't need all that fancy stuff. You just need to be consistent and use it. And I think that's what helps in the long run anyhow. It's consistency. So again, if you have something you like though, all of us skincare junkies know we're always going to try new products, and I'm one of those. So let me know what it is that you like in a sleep mask, if you use them, and what are your favorites. And I think my glasses did all right. I see a little tint, but they're not too dark, so that's good. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.